Hello my good people and welcome back to Codestar Technologies. Kama kawaida, this is the best tech YouTube channel here in Kenya and Africa at large. Kwa hivyo, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do so. Make sure you click the subscribe button, watch our videos, like, share and subscribe. We have amazing content to do with the Lipa na M-Pesa, SMS APIs, data science and machine learning, even USSD application are a lot. Now, in our today's session, I would like to show you a simple project which you can use like a side hustle. Like as you can see, this is a project where you can send SMS. You can also send promotional SMS where you just enter the phone number and you draft a message, then you send. And also you can send SMSs which are from a CSV file. So what do I mean by CSV file? In this case, my previous video, which was about sending, generating an OTP and you sent, I promised to show you how you can be able to help institutions like schools to send their results, exam results to the parents. Like for example, right now, mwaka imeisha, it's 20th of November. This is that term, and most of the institutions wamefanya mtihani. And in this case, hapa kuna shule moja unaona imefanya mtihani. It's just an example of a school which imefanya mtihani. Of course, kuna mwanafunzi hapa anaitwa Kivanga Kikunze. Panga imekunja. So, Kivanga Kikunze, admission number as you can see ni hiyo. Then marks zenye amepata. We have got the total. We have done the computation like that. You can use sum. Average, for average you get the grade using if statement, if function. We have got rank, which you can use to get position. You can get anything that you want for each and every subject, maybe like grades for each subject and all that. So you can gather all that kind of data. So you just generate this one using Excel sheet, and once you generate this one using like an Excel sheet, you formulate, you use the function called concatenation to draft the message. So as you can see, so like for example, here we have got column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we normally have, we have 13 columns, but obvious column number 1, it's not 1, it's counted as a column 0. So we have got 12 columns. So column 11 and 12 are the ones that normally carries both the phone number and the message. So once you generate this kind of worksheet, because what you do is just to give the teachers, they can enter marks on different Excel sheets, and they will give you those Excel file, and then you copy paste the marks on the master mark sheet, while you have sorted either the student names in terms of either student name or phone number. So once you have all this kind of stuff and you do the formulas, you need to save your file as a CSV. So like for example, I can click save, then SMS, then I choose I want to save as CSV. To save as CSV, you go there, then save like that, save, and you're good to go. So I have saved. I want to save it again like that because it's just to request you to save again. So once you save, now this is the CSV that I want to upload to my system. Here, let me show you. This is the CSV. I come here, bulky SMS, browse, click there, select, open, then I send like that. I click send. You will hear a message getting to my phone numbers. Let's wait and see. First of all, it has to give me the message whether they have sent. That is message number 1. There is another one which has come to the other phone. If I click OK, you can see the message have been sent. So I want to show you the messages. So I will open on my phone. This is my phone. So message, then I click there, and this is the first message. So it looks like that. I think you can see. So the parent has received the message. There is the other message which has come to the second phone. This is the second phone, and is what? Click there, messages, open like that, and I want to make it a little bit bigger like that. So you can see this is the message that we have received for the second parent. So as you can see, I think you can see everything. So those are the two messages which have come, and now I think once I've shown you the messages, I have received them. The next thing is to show you the code, to explain a little bit about the code. So on this project, this is the project folder called SMS. I have got index file, and send file. Layout is for the CSS. So if I click here, you can check there is the index file, which has got a div. I've splitted this in form of divs. So I have a div called bulky, and inside bulky I have a form called which has got action which is sent. It goes on the action sent, and there is a post. We are using post method, and when you want to upload a file, you have to add this kind of line of code so that you can be able to upload a specific file. Then we have got the file control, which is used to browse the file. You get it. Then there is the send button, which has got the name send, type is permit, and value is bulky. So I know the button is sent and value is bulky. So when you click, you upload the it goes to the send, and send, we have got a function which now gets that sends the message. But before that, there is this line of code called action, which I get the value of send button. So in my case, the value of my send button is bulky. So, and because I'm using it's bulky, so it means this is I am using case functionality. It means this is the code that is going to be executed. So it will get there. In case the case is bulky, the submit button which is clicked is bulky. The value of the submit button which has been clicked is bulky. Then this is what is executed. You get the file. Once you get the file, you check the size of the file. Then after that, now you go right away and extract two columns. Like as I said, column number 11, it was the phone number. Column number 12, it was the message. Then you call the function send. When you call the function send, automatically this is the function for the sending SMS. And remember, as I told you, I normally use this company called Mobitech to send SMS. So you'll pass the phone number and the message. Once you pass the phone number and the message, you need to have the API key, the sender username, and the sender ID. So once you pass them, don't try to use this one. I think maybe most of you are thinking like, okay, I will use this one and it will have. Now utaona tu jamaa amenipigia tu aniambia yours is not working, sijui nini na nini and all that. So this is a private kind of information. You have to keep it private. That is the API key, username, and the sender ID. Once you keep them private, you'll be good to go. Now, after that, the message is going to be sent, and after it has been sent, you normally get, in any API, you'll get the response. And response in this case is going to be a JSON. So this JSON, I'm going to remove the brackets, decode. To decode means you convert that JSON file into PHP. I say that function for JSON decode, it's used to convert JSON data into a PHP array. So once you get that one, you extract the status of that one, and the status is the one that now you check here. So if the status is 1000, then it means it has been sent. Otherwise, it has not been sent. So we can try once again so that you can see whether it's working, it's correct. Let's try again. So to try, let's change, like for example, the marks. I want to change the marks, for example, this one to be hesabu mtu apitangi obvious, hata maybe alipata 23. Kivanga kikunze sidhani kama anaweza kuwa mzuri sana. So nimechange ya Kivanga Kikunze. Social maybe unajua hata CRI Kivanga aendangi shule, wacha tumweke 58. So like that. Na kama kawaida Kivanga ameanguka. I think hizo mbili ndizo zilikuwa zimempitisha. So let's just even, I want to not cut, I want to delete this one. Let me delete that one to be left with only one, and I generate a CSV where I will get one message for this guy. So CSV like that, yes, yes. So I minimize and come back here. Then again, send bulky. I select merit, open, then I send. I expect to get the message again. Yenye itakuwa inakuonyesha that will show the marks is that is the message. So I open the message and want to make the message a little bit bigger. So at the bottom it's written now. So Kivanga Kikunze, you will confirm the marks for the it was what? Mathematics, it was 23. You may change. So that is it. I hope now you can see. So that is the marks for Kivanga Kikunze. Sorry, I think. Let's try again. I think now you can see everything. So that is the marks for the Kivanga Kikunze. And that is it. So assuming if you can go out there, convince a school, I have a system that can help you to send these marks to the parents. Because wanafunzi kama kawaida, when they are given report forms, wanapitianga cyber. They normally pass by a cyber. They make the changes. Kama Kivanga Kikunze atabadilisha sasa hiyo 23 badala ya 23 ikuwe kama 56, asijiwekee mingi sana, lakini at least akuwa mahali. At least ndio akipelekea mzazi, unajua wenye dadia achezangi na wanafunzi, unajua mambo inakuwa mbaya. So they will change the marks and the parent hatapata the correct kind of meaning. So in this case, this is the best you can do, and you can help an institution, at least mwalimu in every students. Maybe they normally pay exam fee. Exam fee ikiongezwa tuseme 20 bob. 20 bob, uambie mwalimu you are going to help the teacher to send the SMS, maybe sometimes to enter the functions, the formulas for Excel and all that. Kazi yote itakuwa mob sana. But assuming uko na time ya kufanya hiyo, even to key in the data, something like that. Per class maybe in 50 students. Let's do the computation hapa tuone kama tunaweza pata pesa van. Calculator. Wacha nikuonyeshe vitu na reality. So tuseme a class of 40, every class, and we have got right now ni 8 classes. So we get 320 students times tuseme 20 bob per kid. We get 6,000. Hizo ni 6,000. Na hiyo ni job, so long as if you are good in typing, you can find that maybe in a single day unaweza ifanya. So siku 2-3 unatengeneza 3k. Even freelancers, they are not making that money. Now, at least kwa kijiji yako jaribu you make it ukuwe na shule. Tuseme at most if you can make 10 or 8, acha tuseme tu 10. Acha tuweke 10. Kwani si unaweza market. Ku market ni venye unabonga na mwalimu unamwambia atakula 5 bob kwa kila mwanafunzi. The teacher akisikia hivyo anajua atapanda motorbike. So equals unaona uko na 64,000. So per term unajua unaweza pangia like 64,000 zitakuja tu. Wapendo wasipende, na in between hapo unaweza fanya tu SMS like ya ku remind parents wa tume wa school fees balance, still which is bulky SMS. Unaweka tu namba ya simu ya mzazi, alafu accountant atakupea fee balances zenye utatumia wazazi sasa. So hiyo ni kama 2 kuwa remind kama watoto wanaenda mid lini, something like that. So I'm approximating, like for example you can make tuseme tuka 50k. Ni biashara tu nafikiria. Mi hata sijajaribu. I normally do integration, but I've never tried it. I want to kind of try this kind of business. So kama wewe ni mwalimu wa high school, primary, you're out there and you want to do business with me, my friend, 0700711233, you can WhatsApp me anytime. Love tutaongea. Kama unahitaji this kind of stuff, I can help you to do that. Niweke tu hapo kwa inbox, lakini usikuje mkono tupu, my friend. Hata Waswahili usema mkono tupu haulambu, my friend. So the reason I normally do this kind of video, it's because I know that it simplifies you. Alafu ukiona mtu ambaye anafanya from local, najua utanianda kama Mkenya. Si ati unafanyiwa na a guy from India or Chinese or Pakistan. and you'll never see that guy na ushamlipa. It's not good. So I'm here to work with you. So to check the SMS whether they have gone, we can click here, we can refresh this one to check tuone kama hizo SMS zimeenda. Unajua nilikwambia natumianga Mobicheck. I can click there. I don't know whether it's yeah, you can see. So ya mwisho ilikuwa ni hii ya 23 max, as you can see that way. So message zote tatu zimeenda, and you can send to any networks. As you can see, the first one it's I'm using Equitel and Safaricom SIM card. So hizo message zote zimeenda. So unakula pesa yako, alafu ile ingine kidogo yenye ni excess unarushia Codestar. Codestar pia anajipanga, anasikia vizuri. Unamshukuru because this knowledge I've shared it for free. So if you're out there, you feel like we can do business, kindly do so. If you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do so. Still, I also do M-Pesa integration. I also do USSD application, which are very, very expensive. Watu wengi wanga wanapotea hiyo kitu. But I will explain much about that one in another video. So stay tuned because kuna another side hustle nataka kukuonyesha which you can play out na itakusaidia sana. Yeah, so stay tuned and see you on the next video. I love you so much and may God bless you. Thank you.